La Voz, which is Kentucky's bilingual newspaper. The headlines, and someone better at Spanish can read this.
Valoramos la educación universitaria.
Or translated, we value college education. Okay, and what the article was about was the 2009 National Latino Survey. One particular quote that stood out was this one. It said, quote, "Moreover, all Hispanics ages 16 and older are more likely than the overall U.S. population 16 years and older to agree that a college degree is important to get ahead in life. 88% of Latinos say that versus the general population of 74%. So this was really a kind of interesting article that came out, and so it was the headlines for their bilingual newspaper. So they really do value it, you know, and the South has seen, again, a tremendous increase in Latinos, yet many of the teachers are ill-equipped to teach Latino students. Some of the ESL classrooms have over 64 students in them. So there are some real challenges in the South that I think, you know, we need to be responsible for as well. So anyway, this is what Damien and I and some of the facilitators, our vision was to really reach out to some of these Latinos in the South and students in the South, and particularly the teachers who teach them. Okay, so that's what we hoped of today, but I thought it would be important to share that. So. Well, the woman, Jane Wolfe, who is actually the National Writing Project Director, and I believe she is at the University of Louisville in the Education Department, said she was bringing her graduate students, and she was coming. So that's what we learned a few weeks ago, but I'm not sure exactly what happened. So, but, you know, again, we're not going to give up. We'll do this again in Atlanta, maybe have more of a initiative in terms of reaching out to these teachers. We see this as important. You know.
Could we open it up also like to the people that come to the conference? Because I think this is local.
Yeah.
And I think that just making it more broad, and promoting it more with the teachers. Adding more ways. I know it's hard.
Yeah, we'll find.
If I can.
Yeah, I think maybe it'll be a collective effort next year. We'll see what we can do to really bring some of them in, because again, there are a lot of issues here in the South. And, you know, as the statistics show, what 1.6% of Kentucky teachers are Latinos. There are 80 counties in Kentucky that have no Latino teachers, not zero. So 80 out of 136 counties, okay? So this is really an issue, you know, and this is indicative of what we see in many southern states.
And 81% of the schools have Hispanic Latino students.
Yeah, 81%. Yeah. So, you know, this is important, and, you know, we come from Texas and California, Pennsylvania, other areas. But, you know, a lot of us don't teach in the South, and so I see this as a way for us to reach out to them. So, okay. So where would we like to go from here? Would you all like to talk about what you were going to present and stuff? We can go in any order.
I'll go ahead.
It's okay.
Okay.
I was simply, hi Kentuckians. I was simply going to talk about some